Come here.
Fuck that! I see you!
My team was out on patrol, and I saw Faith appear out of the mist. I fired, and I know I hit her, but she vanished. My friends didn't see her. They think I'm crazy, but she was there.
That was for my family!
That was close. Hey, he's over there.
Thanks for waiting. I'm in. Let's do this. Get ready to die! Cover me, I'm moving! It's all she wrote! Cover me, reloading! Who's out there? Off attack! Could use some help over here! I'm heading this way! Move now! I see you there! Was worried you were gonna leave without me. That was actually my worst nightmare. This trip says we wake up to complete silence! Have any of you actually read the fucking script?
You from the legal department? Get fucked. Whoa, wait, you're new. Hey, you want to work in a movie? Of course you do. You are the solution to all my problems. Classic tale. A small-town nobody, you, arrives just in time to save world-renowned auteur, Guy Marvel, yours truly. My movie, my masterpiece, is 4 fucking years in the making, and I will not have it derailed by these fucking plebes with no cinematic vision. You know how many fucking awards Blood Dragon 3 is gonna win if we shoot this fucker correctly? All of them! Except this entire stretch of flyover country is a 160 decibel noise factory, and I need absolute fucking silence for this scene! Be the hero, big shot. My first AD will fill you in. I need to contemplate my own genius for a bit.
One quick whack to the head with something heavy.
That's all it would take. This is the last time I take a job with a French company.
What the hell is going on here?
Ooh, let's shoot in a conflict zone. Realism. Idiot. Listen, I'm not the first AD, I'm just the sound guy, Dean. Guy fired the first AD after he refused to use live ammunition on cows. Now his genius idea is to shoot a scene like a silent film, only using sound. So, you could probably figure out how well that's going. Noise? In the wilds of Montana? Go figure. This place is loud as fuck. Your job is to kill the sound, and I mean kill it. You hear that horn? It's shit like that we gotta shut down. Go kill the noise, whatever it takes.
You hear that horn? Go get him, hotshot! Silencer would do my ears some good. I'm in. Let's do this. Come on, champ. Kill the horn. Don't be shy. That's got it. Okay, come on back. I'm listening for more trouble. Well, all things considered, it wasn't all bad. Get a room, you two. Hell of a time to shoot a movie. Hold on to that for later.
We got trouble up top. Sounds like shooting. Get up there quick.
Time is money, and I am hemorrhaging nickels out of my ass right now. That noise is fucking up everything!
The cult harvests those white flowers, processes them in a lab, then refines it into a liquid drug. They use it everywhere.
Colt took everything I ever cared about.
I'm changing position. You pagans are dead!
Go for the jugular! There's one cultist! Asshole alert! Your father couldn't save you! We're done! Still a lot to go!
You're doing good. Hurry back here. We're not done yet.
Worst day ever.
Son of a bitch whore, fuck ass. We got those fucking music trucks. That's gonna bring the angels. Kill those
The longer people are in Faith's grasp, the more they become like them angels.
Time is money, and I am hemorrhaging nickels out of my ass right now.
Got something here! I'm charging! We can do it! Come on! Kill every single one of them bastards! I'm going for it! Cover me!
Hey, you see that combine? Hop on that thing and wipe out those angels real quick. Why the fuck not? They're brain dead anyways.
We have to win this! Never fuck with someone who's got nothing to lose! Crazy medics, cover me! I ain't knowing ya! Watch my six! This is for my family, you brainwashed sons of bitches! You never should have come here! We're done! Hell of a lot to go! Cover! We got trouble!
Kill him for the battle! Look for higher ground! Cover me! Make a run for it! Shoot the center! Checking ammo! Someone cover me! We got our When I get my hands up, you're fucking dead! I'm going up! Cover me! What's the ball? Scratch one cultist! You're not making it out! Enemy in sight! Cover me! Reloading! Fucking kill them all! I'm out! Cover me! Shoot! Rotten hell! You fucks! Room, you two. Got my back! I'm reloading!
All this craziness is giving me a big throbbing also.
Finally! Someone gets it! You got a natural talent, kid. Those pussies back in Hollywood could learn a little something from you. The ferocity you showed. Intense, frightening. You made me shit my pants a little, but I liked it. Now I can finally spray my magic all over this film. Blood Dragon 3 will be a masterpiece! Seriously, it has to be. I can't go back to working on shit like Far Cry. I'd rather put my balls in a vice than listen to... This movie is gonna win awards. It's all thanks to you. Now get the fuck out of here. This is a close set.
You must be dizzy. So many roads to choose. What to believe, who to help first.